guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, a channel where I talk about career in tech and productivity. So in this video, we'll be talking about ChatGPT. I know it's been long because I was busy with some personal stuff in my life. So don't worry, I'm back on this channel with some exciting, fun and informative video which will give you the dosage of the information you need. So in this video, we'll be talking about the very trending topic which is going on in the market, which is ChatGPT. ChatGPT has been talk of the town ever since it was launched in November 2022, and it crossed over 1 million users in just 5 days, which is remarkable in this industry right now. So that is the reason it has got a lot of eyes and a lot of people are using and making their life easy. So in this video, first we'll understand what exactly is ChatGPT, how is it different from a Google search, and how much it is reliable, how much you can trust on the ChatGPT answers, and will ChatGPT eat away your job, which is the most commonly asked question right now. And at the moment, we'll discuss how it is helpful and how you can use ChatGPT in your career to make it a better one. First, let's understand that Google search and ChatGPT are two different things. They are two different tools with different purpose and capabilities. In Google search, if you type something, it will give you the list of web pages, then you go through the plenty of web pages, videos, and then you understand the information. ChatGPT, on the other hand, is conversational based. There you can get personalized answers. For example, if you want to look for the best restaurants in your area, then you will use Google search, like best restaurants in my area followed by your location, and you'll learn a lot of recommendations. But if you want a personalized answer, like what dish I should order in this particular XYZ cafe, then that answer you can get ChatGPT, as ChatGPT is more responsible for giving you personalized recommendation, and it is more reliable in that case. So now the next question is ChatGPT reliable, and how much it is reliable, and how much we can trust on the answers provided by the ChatGPT. So first of all, let's understand how ChatGPT is built, how it is actually trained. It is trained by OpenAI, and it uses a lot of references of articles, books, and so many other information. So the information which they provide is more or less like correct. But it depends what kind of questions you are asking. We are humans. We are supposed to ask a lot of questions. So whatever kind of questions we are asking, based on that, it provides us the answers. So how smartly we are asking questions and using the tool to solve and make our life easy is very important. So at the end, we should always remember that we are human beings, we are more powerful than any tool. But we should know our superpower. Our superpower is that, okay, we might not have answers to all the questions, but we will have questions in our mind. So keep asking questions to the tool, and then you get the reliable answers, and then you do good in your job as well. So yes, for me, I feel ChatGPT is reliable if you ask correct questions. In order to ask correct questions, you should know what you are exactly looking for. So the next question, which is the talk of the town, will ChatGPT eat away my job? Like everyone is asking, like, will ChatGPT be able to generate code, content, and everything, and it will replace other people? So I guess yes, I agree, because ChatGPT is capable of doing a lot if used in the right manner. So first thing, like the people who are scared, who are in the field of content creation and coding and all, so you should not be scared of it. First of all, nobody can take your creativity. That's an AI tool. It will give information based on the books, articles, or the stuffs for which it is feeded with. But your creativity, nobody can take it. So you use ChatGPT for having the ideas. Take those ideas and be creative with your job, because at the moment your job demands creativity. So no matter if you're a software engineer, you're a software developer, you are a content creator, every role of yours demand creativity. What you can do and what tool cannot do will be the thing which you should identify, work on it, grab opportunities. So I hope you liked this video and got an idea what exactly is ChatGPT, how it is reliable, and will it eat away your job or not. So the crisp of this video is that understand we are humans, we are more powerful than any tool. We are creators of tools. Tools cannot run us. So identify what is the things which a tool cannot do in the current job which you are doing, and rock on. And if you are looking for such informative videos, then drop in the questions, topics in the comment section. I would definitely take away and make videos and bring some more information and point of view for you guys. Till then, stay tuned. Bye bye.